It's the old familiar neighborhood where we all came from. If you're like me in elementary school, you learned about what the planets looked like through one of these models. Earth, green and blue, third rock from the sun. The big one, Jupiter, maybe with the big red spot on it. And Saturn, the pretty one with the rings. But how do we know Saturn and Jupiter look like this? All of our images from these two planets up until recently have come from 20th century telescopic photos that were taken from planet Earth. But in the last couple months, our impression of these two gas giants are being turned on its head, literally.
8, 7, 6, liftoff.
1997, NASA launches Cassini on a 1 billion mile journey to Saturn. 2011, Juno is launched to Jupiter, a shorter trip than Saturn, but still 5 years and 365 million miles. In just the last 2 months, both missions have sent back some amazing images. The latest, some detailed black and white stills from Saturn.
It's pretty cool. The pictures are just amazing.
As Lafayette Planetarium curator Dave Hostetter assures me, yes, in reality, the rings do appear that slick and smooth. We're getting new images showing how the rings are made up of rocks and ice, but the biggest mystery still remains.
I do find this odd. We don't really understand how those rings formed. We don't really understand whether they are dating back to the very early parts of the solar system.
And more questions from the first look at Saturn's North Pole, a hexagon shape. Scientists think this may be like our jet stream on our planet, but it's still too early to tell. And now, the latest from Jupiter.
The pictures are just amazing. They truly are. We're seeing clouds and detail in Jupiter that we've never seen before.
And the big surprise, the first image of Jupiter's South Pole. It's blue. Hostetter says it's still too early to know what the blue stuff is, but he says it's likely some kind of weather in the atmosphere like we're seeing around the rest of the planet.
Turbulence in the atmosphere, gases that are rising and falling, clouds developing and dissipating.
And if these images are just in our solar system alone, what else is out there beyond what we can gather in just a 20-year mission? For your weekly dose of woe, I'm Jordan Sandler.